Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. And now select receive on Samsung, then send on an Android. Following that, you need to click on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file, like this photo. Choose send and tap on get it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and tap on receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!